Today we're here at GardenFest at the Botanic Garden at OSU. Welcome to Oklahoma Gardening. So whether it's GardenFest or another event, there's always plenty of fun for your family at the Botanic Garden at OSU. We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.